Spoken English classes, English speaking course. Come one, come all. So let's start. Let's learn tenses, active voice and passive voice. Tense, simple present, I make a cake. In passive voice, a cake is made. Second, present continuous. I am making a cake. Passive voice, a cake is being made. Next, past simple, I made a cake. A cake was made. Next, past continuous. I was making a cake. Passive voice, a cake was being made. Present perfect. I have made a cake. Passive voice, a cake has been made. Past perfect, I had made a cake. Passive voice, a cake had been made. Future simple, I will make a cake. Passive voice, a cake will be made. So keep watching Learning Brightly if you really want to learn new things. Thank you so much.